Oh hi, my name is Shivansh and I love reading books, and today I'm going to tell you a book about the space. Let's begin. Sun is the hottest in the sky and it's very hot. Now let's move on to Mercury. Mercury may be the closest but not the hottest. Let's move on to Venus. Venus is the hottest planet. Let's move on to Earth. Earth is where we live and we must take care of it so we won't have an end of our wonderful planet. So, no polluting our world, no trash, and no factories that use coal. That will make the air dirty. So we must immediately plant a trillion and million trees. And that will also help for tsunamis to prevent, and humans have no worries of tsunamis, and also trees will grow and carbon dioxide will drop. Now let's go back to space. Let's move on to Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun, and it's slow spinning, and it spins around its axis. Spinning around its axis means every planet spins around its axis. It's a dwarf planet, and spinning around the axis means one side facing to space makes it dark, and the other side facing to the sun makes it morning, and Earth also do it. And you know what the fastest spinning around its axis? But it's very fast. I can't know what planet is. Now let's move on to Jupiter, the fastest spinning around the sun planet all day long. Let's move on to Saturn. Saturn has beautiful rings and it's made of ice. And it has 7 parts of it. Now let's move on to Uranus. Uranus is maybe cold, but Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are all gas giants. And the biggest one is Jupiter. Now let's move on to Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system. And it has the most biggest storms ever in humanity. Let's move on to Pluto. And Pluto for very little bit again. And time is almost up. Pluto has very far away from the sun.